Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to go over the power of the SpringBoot with Redis and the Lua script. So Lua script is a very powerful script that we can evaluate in the Redis. So before that, let's talk about why we need that. So what is wrong with the SpringBoot with Redis? So we have the Spring Boot application and we connect with the Redis. So if there are multiple requests come at the same time, there will be a multi-threading issue or a race condition. So let's see this block of code. So basically it's doing the logic of get the value from Redis and then decrement by one and then update. So here we can see this block of code is not atomic. So basically there are several steps. Get the value, decrement by one, and put it back. So if we are in the multi-threading issue, we will not get the expected result. So we can do a quick test. I have started the application. So this is the very simple application that I realized the CRUD functions of the product, and the only repository is the Redis. We will mainly test on this product, on this function. It's decrement quantity by one. So we can do that by calling the controller of the decrement / ID. Okay, so now let me create a payload product first. So okay, I just created a product with ID 3 named Apple with quantity 5. Let's double check if I can get it. Okay, we got it. So the product's created successfully. Now let's try to decrement product by ID with the multi-threading simulation. So I have a JMeter plan. So in this product cell, let's see what is there. There are 10 threads here, and each of them will execute by only one time. So let's see which endpoint. Okay, so the endpoint basically it is calling the product's decrement /3. So basically 10 threads are going to decrement by one of the product 3. So the expected result is 5 minus 10, which is minus 5. But the real situation is not. So let's run the test. Okay, let's see the result. All the result is success. And let's see the result. If we go to the Postman, now let's get the product by ID. We can see now the quantity is only 4. So we execute the 10 threads, but we only decrement quantity by 1. So we can also see from the log, we have the product Apple quantity before decrement is 5, but after it is 4. So this is the multi-threading issue. So this is the issue we need to solve. Now let's see how do we solve that. The issue basically is the multi-threading with the atomicity issue. So now we can talk about the Lua. So we can change the code. We can wrap all the execution in one Lua script. So let's see here. Here I use the REST template to execute the Redis script and pass the required parameters. So now all the executions, like the get the value, then decrement the value, and then update, will be executed in only one statement. And there is also very important things. We can also see the next slide. This is from the Redis official documentations. So one key part is that Redis guarantees the script's atomic execution. So while executing the script, all server activities are blocked during its entire runtime. And this semantics means that all the script's effects either have yet to happen or already happened. So there's no middle or intermediate state. So let's do a quick test. It's okay. Let's just get the product by ID. So now we can see there is only 4 quantities. And for the code, we can quickly see another block of code that we want to execute. This is product service declared by ID by using Lua. So in this Lua, I create a script object and then use the Redis template to execute. If the result is smaller than 0, it will show it is sold out. If it is not, it will show that congrats, you got a great deal. And I can quickly go over the Lua model, the Lua which we use. So basically here is the Lua script. Basically we pass the product hash and the product ID as the parameter, and to check if the value, and we set if the quantity is if it is already smaller or equal to 0, we will return -1 because it is out of stock. Otherwise, we will just update and then put it back. So this is basically how the script part. And let's go back. So basically, I copied the script here. Now, since we only have 4 product, so if we execute 10, we can only success 4. Let me pull up the JMeter plan here. So this is the plan for executing the Lua. Yeah, the endpoint is actually the decrement Lua. I can quickly show the product controller here. We have the decrement quantity by ID using Lua. And so there are 10 threads and only execute once. Let's see the result. Okay, execute. So you can see there are only 4 requests executed successfully. All the others are not. This is as what we expected. And we can also see the log that we only have 4 that congrats, you got great deal, but all the others, sorry, it is sold out. So that's the power of the Lua script. So to recap, this is because when Redis execute the Lua, all the server activities are blocked during its entire runtime. So in this case, it can guarantee the transaction and automaticity. And hope this helps. Thanks.